Looking for a database that's fast, flexible, and perfect for modern apps? MongoDB is your answer. From powering websites to handling massive data in the cloud, MongoDB is the go-to choice for developers in 2025. Plus, stick around for a special bonus. I'll show you how to get a free MongoDB certification to jumpstart your career. MongoDB is a leading NoSQL database launched in 2009 by MongoDB Inc. It stores data in a flexible document-based format using JSON, JavaScript object notation. However, MongoDB actually uses BSON, a binary version of JSON, which allows it to store more data types and efficiently handle larger datasets. This flexibility is why MongoDB is favored for modern scalable applications in industries like e-commerce, finance, and gaming. Let's break down some essential MongoDB concepts. Whether you're new to databases or transitioning from SQL, these concepts will help you understand MongoDB's flexibility. Unlike traditional databases that store data in rows and columns, MongoDB uses a document-based model. Documents are like digital files that can store data in a flexible JSON-like format. This means you can store complex data structures like customer information with embedded orders all in a single document. No need to create multiple tables to manage related data. A collection in MongoDB is similar to a table in SQL databases, but it's more flexible. Collections hold groups of documents, and each document can have its own structure. You don't have to follow a rigid format across documents. MongoDB uses a query language that's easy to understand based on key value pairs. For example, to find a user by name, you can simply write db.users.find name John. This makes searching through your data simple and intuitive. Indexes in MongoDB, like in other databases, are used to speed up data retrieval. Without indexes, MongoDB would have to scan all documents to find what you're looking for. MongoDB is designed to scale horizontally. This means it can handle large amounts of data by distributing it across multiple servers using a technique called sharding. Sharding divides your database into smaller pieces called shards, making sure your app can handle more traffic without slowing down. MongoDB excels in various applications. It powers dynamic web apps with frameworks like React and Angular. Companies like Facebook and eBay rely on MongoDB for handling vast data efficiently. Perfect for big data and real-time analytics, MongoDB handles unstructured data seamlessly. MongoDB Atlas enables real-time syncing for mobile apps, supporting both iOS and Android. With platforms like Johnny 5, MongoDB interacts with hardware, expanding its use beyond web development. Want to get MongoDB certified for free? With the GitHub Student Developer Pack, you can grab a $200 voucher that covers any MongoDB certification exam. Whether you're aiming for the developer or DBA certification, it's a great way to boost your resume at no cost. Check the link in the description to learn more about how to get the GitHub Student Pack and all its benefits, especially for MongoDB certifications. MongoDB is a powerful, flexible database essential for modern development. Whether you're building web apps, mobile apps, or handling big data, MongoDB has you covered. So, if you're ready to dive in, like and subscribe for more quick guides and tips. Thank you for watching, and keep glowing with Code Gleam.